In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get keywords and insights for search results using Google. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially if you're diving into the world of blogging, digital marketing, or SEO. The ability to discover the right keywords not only helps in crafting content that resonates with your audience, but also improves your visibility online. So let's get started. First up, we're going to utilize a simple yet powerful tool known as Google Autocomplete. The process is straightforward. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. Once you're there, think of a primary word or phrase related to your topic or industry. For instance, if you're into fitness, you might type in running shoes. As you type, you'll notice a drop-down list appearing. This list contains suggestions that Google thinks are relevant to your query. These suggestions are actually popular searches others are making, and they can provide a treasure trove of insights into what people are interested in. Next, let's dive into the People Also Ask feature. After conducting your search, scroll through the results until you find a section labeled People Also Search For. This box is filled with questions that users frequently type into Google. These questions can spark great ideas for blog topics or even help you refine your content to address the specific needs and queries of your audience. Think of it as a direct line into the collective consciousness of internet searchers. Lastly, don't forget to explore the Related Searches section. As you scroll down to the very bottom of the search results page, you'll find a collection of terms labeled as related searches. These are additional keyword ideas that are contextually linked to your original query. They can help you expand your keyword list and provide inspiration for new angles on your content. If you're ever in need of a fresh perspective or some additional keywords to support your main ones, this section is invaluable. Remember, mastering keyword research takes practice, but with these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to boosting your search engine performance. Leveraging Google's autocomplete, People Also Ask, and related searches can provide you with a wealth of information that might otherwise take hours to uncover. So, take the time to explore these features and let them guide your content creation efforts. Happy searching, and here's to crafting compelling, relevant content.